Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these African print fabric flowers and attached them onto my slippers. So these are the slippers that I chose. They're just simple slide in slippers. And this is the fabric that I chose for this DIY, and I chose it particularly because it already had these circles that I really liked, and I just decided to cut around those circles because I actually thought that it would actually give the flowers like a unique pattern or design. If your fabric doesn't already have these little circles, you can just mark them out and draw them out and cut them out like that, and then just cut around your markings and then you have your circles. But as for me, this is the method that I chose, and there was really not that much wastage of fabric in my opinion.
HitSound.
So how I made my flowers was, at first I would fold the little circle of fabric into two to make it like a little quarter, and then I would now assemble like 4 of them together. And I just did this by sewing. You can definitely glue this. The DIYs that I've done in the past where I've made this kind of fabric flowers before and I glued, it still works, but since this is going to be a shoe, I wanted it to be like strong and firm and actually last, so I decided to just sew.
HitSound.
For now, to attach the little flowers onto the shoe, onto the slipper, I doubled my thread and then I just started sewing it on. My slippers already had holes in them, so it was just simply a matter of putting the needle through and attaching the flower and then tying it securely.
HitSound.
And for each slipper I used two, like I said, but depending on the size of your slippers or on the width and the length of the band, and also depending on the size of the flowers, you may need to use more, like maybe 3 or 4, but for me 2 were actually big enough to cover that entire band. So that is the result, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this DIY. I hope you liked it. It was quite simple and I like the result. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.